Donald Trump rare photos. Here's all that you need to know about Donald Trump, the real estate mogul, billionaire and 45th pre. Donald Trump childhood born and brought up in Queens, New York. Donald Trump has 4 siblings. Here's a picture of Trump when he was merely 4 years old. Doesn't he look adorable? Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump unknown facts. Donald Trump's oldest child with Ivana Trump, Donald Trump Jr. at the moment serves as an executive vice president of the Trump Organization. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump young family photo. Donald Trump's parents Fred and Mary Trump come from 2 varied worlds. While Trump's father made a fortune constructing middle-income apartments in Brooklyn and Queens, Donald Trump's mother Mary was a Scottish immigrant. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump rare image gallery. Not many people know this, but Donald Trump went to graduate from the New York Military Academy. And post this he went on to study first at Fordham University and then at Wharton Business School. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump history pics. Post finishing his education, Donald Trump joined his father's construction business. However, soon Trump found his true calling and he started working on his own in Manhattan. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump parents. In 1981, Donald Trump lost his father, Freddie Trump, to alcoholism. Donald famously had a rather complicated relationship with his father, and post his death, there was a huge tussle over the will. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump young sources reveal that Donald Trump had helped draft his father's will, which reportedly had cut his elder brother out of their father's inheritance. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump young age. In 1977, Donald Trump got married to Czech fashion model Ivana, and in the same year, their first child Donald Trump Jr. was born. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump candid photos. The power couple went on to have 3 children together: Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka, and Eric. However, their relationship soon turned sour and they even split for some time before their subsequent got divorced in 1992. Image procured via Google search. Donald Trump life. And despite Donald Trump's rather torrid affair with Marla Maples and a rather public divorce from Ivana, their relationship is still strong. Sources reveal that Ivana is still one of his closest advisors. Image procured via Google search. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.